Hello everyone, welcome to Judystravels. Today I'm gonna share you about my cooking time here at home, and I would love to show you how I cook Joyce Chinese barbecue recipe sashu. So these all what we need. Stay tuned guys, and thank you for watching, and let's start cooking. So guys, let's start cooking with this Chinese barbecue. This I marinated this pork shoulder 2 days before, and today I will continue. And if you have time enough to marinate this 1 day or 2 days before, it's better. So let's start. And I put this in the stove with 400 degrees or 200 Fahrenheit. So now I'm gonna make a glass. I add this what I marinated, you can put here, and I add 2 tablespoons of honey. So I have glass. 7 minutes is already done, and I will try to brush the glass, and this is caramelized. And so guys, my shashu, this is a Chinese barbecue, it's almost done, and now I will try it. Very tender, juicy, and spicy. So guys, I start with my mango shake. This I have this from Amazon. Oat milk, and then add sugar and mango cubes, and let's start. So guys, I'm done with my mango shake. It's very easy to make, and super delicious. Also, this is the second, the blueberries, and I'm gonna make this for my husband. I add a small amount of sugar and of course fresh milk. Cover and let's start. Stop automatic, guys. So talag! This is the blueberries. It's very easy to make, and this is the... So guys, I'm done with my mango shake. It's easy and super healthy, delicious, fresh mango. So all what you need, guys, is mango, little bit sugar. The sugar is optional, milk, and that's all. It's creamy and super delicious, super yummy.